Your cutlery will look like new, clean, shiny, and stain-free without scrubbing or polishing. Prepare a glass baking dish and place the cutlery inside. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of salt, followed by baking soda. Baking soda has excellent cleaning properties. Now, pour a little vinegar over the cutlery. The vinegar will make them even cleaner and shinier. But that's not all. Pour hot water over everything until the cutlery is fully submerged in the solution. Wait 15 minutes and let the ingredients work their magic. After that, take out the cutlery and see how amazingly it shines. This simple method restores the sparkle to your favorite forks, knives, and spoons. The results are truly spectacular. Just dry them off, and you're done. Try this method and see how easy it is to achieve spotless, gleaming cutlery. Take 3 forks and place them in the frying pan. This trick was taught to me by a friend who is a chef. It will definitely make cooking easier. Take 3 forks out of the drawer. There must be exactly 3 of them. Arrange them in the pan. Do it like I did in the video. The fork should intersect in the middle of the pan. Next, place a small plate on top of them. The plate should not be larger than the pan. It should fit in the pan with some space left around it. Now pour some water into the pan. The water should cover the entire bottom of the pan. Place the dish you want to cook on the plate. Turn on the stove and cover the pan with a lid. With this simple method, you can quickly steam fish or vegetables. This simple trick makes it much easier and faster. The fish will be juicy and ready in just a few minutes. And you won't need any special steamers or pots. It turns out that regular forks are all you need to steam anything you want. Every dishwasher has a hidden function. I use it when the dishwasher is full and won't accommodate any more dishes. Everyone knows that the dishwasher won't function properly if you load it with large bowls or pots that block the blades. You also can't wash tall glasses that won't fit on the upper rack. You've surely faced this problem before. It's impossible to use the dishwasher in such cases. You end up taking out and rearranging dishes endlessly. But it turns out that the same dishwasher can accommodate all these dishes. Tall glasses can fit on the upper rack. Or you'll finally be able to place large dishes on the lower rack. How is this possible? The dishwasher has a certain hidden function. Few people use it. Some dishwasher users don't even know about it. Yet it's incredibly important for everyday dishwasher use. In every dishwasher, you can adjust the upper rack to 2 different heights. You can lower it or raise it. If you're loading tall dishes on the lower rack, then raise the upper rack. If you have tall glasses to wash, lower the upper rack. Some dishwashers have special buttons for this. In others, you just need to grab the upper rack when it's extended. Are you using this dishwasher function? Did you know about it? I add dish soap to my detergent, and it's so surprisingly effective that I want to share it with you. Mix 1 part dish soap with an equal amount of regular vinegar. Then, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Vinegar has antibacterial properties, and the salt helps remove residues. Next, add a small amount of water and mix everything until well combined. Pour the mixture into a plastic bottle using a funnel, and close it with a dish soap cap for easy dispensing. Test it on a few dishes. This combination is perfect for cleaning dishes. Glass will be crystal clear and porcelain dishes will shine. Washing and cleaning dishes has become much easier with this new mixture, cutting cleaning time in half. No one in my family uses regular dish soap anymore. This enhanced soap with salt and vinegar is 100 times better. Take a piece of aluminum foil, crumple it into a ball, and throw it into the dishwasher. Your dishes will shine like never before. Their brilliance will blind you. Everyone will ask you what you use to wash them. If you have favorite glasses and are constantly dissatisfied with their appearance after being taken out of the dishwasher, then this trick is for you. You'll forget about dull glasses, dishes, or stemware. From now on, their shine will delight your eyes. All arranged on the shelf will be perfectly clean and shiny. The trick with aluminum foil balls works not only on glass. It also cleans and polishes cutlery. It's the cheapest way to achieve perfectly shiny knives, forks, spoons, and teaspoons. And all you need is ordinary aluminum foil. Unroll a piece from the roll and crumple it into a ball. Place such a ball in the dishwasher. Put it between the glasses. Place another 1 or 2 between the cutlery. Aluminum foil reacts with detergents during dishwashing. As a result, it oxidizes the dull glasses, stemware, or cutlery. A small ball of foil works wonders. It's like polishing dishes and cutlery, except that aluminum foil will do it for you. Always put aluminum foil balls in the dishwasher. Metal pots, glasses, and cutlery will shine. Your neighbors will envy you. A technician once recommended that I run my dishwasher this way once a month. This method effectively cleans the dishwasher of all dirt and odors, refreshing it without any scrubbing. If your dishwasher emits an unpleasant smell after every cycle, it's time to try this method. When you open the dishwasher, it appears clean and even shiny. So, where does the bad smell come from? Food residues accumulate in the filter. Just unscrew it, and you'll see how much dirt is there. Despite using the best dishwasher tablets, they can't remove all the grime. Over time, this results in a bad odor emanating from the dishwasher. Fortunately, the technician who installed my dishwasher recommended a simple solution. Prepare a bowl and place it in the dishwasher. Pour vinegar into the bowl. It's best to use the largest bowl that will fit to add more vinegar. Sprinkle baking soda over the bottom of the dishwasher. Do not put any other items in the dishwasher. Run it on a hot cycle, and that's it. As the cycle starts, water will flush the vinegar from the bowl, and it will clean the entire dishwasher. The baking soda will also contribute to cleaning the interior. Use this method once a month, and your dishwasher will always be clean and fresh. Pour ET into the dishwasher and turn it on. After the cycle is finished, it will be like new. This is the best way to clean the dishwasher. Before you do that, however, check the condition of the filter. Pull out the bottom rack. Unscrew the filter. Here, all the dirt accumulates. See how much residue is on it. It's grease and food remnants. Place the filter in a bowl of warm water. Pour dishwashing liquid and scrub the entire filter. When you remove most of the dirt, change the water. Soak the filter in water with dish soap and vinegar. This will help remove any remaining dirt. It will also neutralize most of the bacteria that may have settled on the filter. Clean the edge near the dishwasher door. Dirt collects here, which is not removed during the cycle. Wipe this area thoroughly and clean it. Check and scrub the filter again. After rinsing it under running water, screw it back into place. Unscrew the salt container. You will see if dirt has settled on the cap. Remove it and screw it back on. Sprinkle a good amount of baking soda on the bottom of the dishwasher. Let it cover the entire bottom. Place a small bowl of vinegar on the top rack. Turn on the dishwasher for a standard cycle. Baking soda and vinegar will clean and disinfect the interior of the dishwasher. The remaining dirt and unpleasant odor will disappear. The dishwasher will look like new. The dishes will be cleaner and shinier.